Don't calculate duration time manually like this. I will explain how to calculate duration time. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Your subscription is an encouragement for me to make more videos. First, end date plus end time. Start date and time minus end date and time. Now, we got duration days. Using convert formula to change days to hours. Now, we got duration with hours format. Change format for hours in each cell. Click More Number Format. And choose Custom. Type 0 hours. Thanks for watching. See you next video.